Oh. It was like peppery. Nando's. Onions, gherkin. Pepper. So good. I ain't gonna measure it. Just gonna go by my eye. You get me? Like a little bit of olive oil. Yeah. See that? Put that. Put that down. See that? That's called a smash burger right there. I'm gonna take 3. I'm gonna go like that. Put the cheese on there. Oh! Onion. 1 pickle there. Done. Look at that. Yes. Yes. Oh my God, look at that. It's like a double. That was just mincemeat, by the way. Sriracha, hot mayo. I'm gonna go with the bite first. Without it, that's a proper burger. Proper. Homemade. Try with the sriracha. That's a hit. You know it's a hit.